We have a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This is a crew cab, full four-door, four-wheel drive. Good tires, very clean body. It's got the pull-out camper mirrors, LS model, heavy-duty towing package, very clean bed. 6.0 liter gas V8 engine. With power door locks, manual windows, cloth seats, vinyl floors, automatic headlights, CD player, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission. You get your four-wheel drive on the fly. Back seats flip up. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.